Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're embarking on the monumental journey of writing your PhD thesis, you're likely feeling a mix of excitement and, let's be honest, a little overwhelmed. Where do you even begin? How do you structure this massive piece of work? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're breaking down the essential components of a well-structured PhD thesis, step by step. Think of this as your roadmap to successfully navigating this academic marathon. Let's dive in. As you can see here, a PhD thesis generally follows a logical and often cyclical structure. Let's go through each key section. First up, the abstract. This is your thesis in a nutshell. It's a concise summary, usually around 200 to 300 words, that captures the essence of your entire research. Think of it as your elevator pitch. It should briefly touch upon your research problem, methodology, key findings, and main conclusions. This is often the first thing people read, so make it impactful. Next, we have the introduction. This is where you set the stage for your research. You'll clearly outline the research problem you're addressing, state your research objectives, what you aim to achieve with this study, and provide the necessary context. Why is this research important? What gap in knowledge are you trying to fill? Your introduction should grab the reader's attention and make them want to learn more. Moving on to the crucial literature review. This section demonstrates your thorough understanding of the existing body of knowledge related to your research topic. You'll critically analyze relevant scholarly articles, books, and other sources, highlighting what has already been done and, importantly, identifying the gaps in knowledge that your research will address. This section provides the foundation and justification for your own work. Now, let's talk about methodology. This is where you detail exactly how you conducted your research. You'll describe and justify the research methods you used to collect and analyze your data. Whether it's quantitative, qualitative, or a mixed methods approach, you need to clearly explain your procedures, the rationale behind your choices, and any potential limitations. Transparency is key here. We've reached the heart of your research. Key findings. This section presents the most significant results of your data analysis. You'll highlight the crucial outcomes and directly relate them back to your initial research hypotheses or questions. Use clear and concise language, and consider using tables, figures, and other visuals to present your data effectively. Following your key findings, you might have a section for additional results. This is where you can present supplementary data that supports your main findings but might not be central enough to be included in the previous section. This can provide further depth and robustness to your overall analysis. I am bringing it all together. We have the conclusions. This is where you summarize the key insights you've gained from your research and discuss their implications. You'll revisit your research objectives and explain how your findings contribute to the existing body of knowledge. What are the broader significance and potential impact of your work? Finally, a well-rounded thesis often includes a section on future research. Based on your findings and the limitations of your study, you can suggest areas for further investigation. What questions remain unanswered? What new research directions could be explored as a result of your work? This demonstrates a forward-thinking approach to your field. So, there you have it, or a breakdown of the typical structure of a PhD thesis. Remember that while this provides a general framework, specific requirements might vary depending on your field of study and your university's guidelines. Always consult with your supervisor for tailored advice. Writing a PhD thesis is a challenging but ultimately rewarding process. By understanding the typical structure and the purpose of each section, you'll be well equipped to organize your thoughts, present your research effectively, and contribute meaningfully to your field. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more research tips and academic guidance. Let me know in the comments below what aspects of thesis writing you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your research.